What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video, and yes, we have to talk about SHIBA INU. SHIBA INU is going crazy right now. Everybody's on the SHIBA INU wave, and I am on it too now. So I came here from Dogecoin. I'm pretty sure all of you came here from Dogecoin. But yeah, this is Dogecoin's little brother, little sister, whatever you want to call it. This is Dogecoin's younger sibling. So I definitely think SHIBA INU has a lot of good potential right now. So before we get with the basics, with all the media and stuff, let's start with the technical analysis, because more importantly than media, technical analysis is really good to do. So looking at our technical analysis, where we are here at SHIBA INU, let's look at our trend line that we are going up on. So yes, we did just now have huge spikes in SHIBA INU. So right now we can definitely predict that we're going to continue to trade sideways, do little tiny dips until we get about here. And it's so hard to kind of, tell the prices of SHIBA INU right now. So I'm just going to say 0.025, whatever, like 0.0000259,172. That's where we're projected to end up at while we trade sideways and, kind of consolidate here. But let's go ahead and look at what we have. So you remember inside of crypto, our short-term trend lines and our long-term trend lines. You always have to remember the short-term and there's long-term trend lines. In crypto, 1 month is long, okay? A day, I guess you can say that's short, but inside of a month, that is long. A month, week, all that. So this shows all the way up until May 8th, and it's kind of hard to get a chart that has all of SHIBA INU's, SHIBA INU's growth, because, it's just kind of started to go crazy. So people really don't have it. So I can't really do a long-term trend line for SHIBA INU right now. So keep in mind that this right here is our short-term trend line. This is not our long-term trend line, okay? And another thing I want to get off of the table right here, just know what consolidation is. I'm pretty sure all of you know what it is, but if you don't, it doesn't matter. Just know that SHIBA INU did just come off a huge jump. We have so much gain, 180% last 24 hours, crazy gains right now. SHIBA INU is going crazy right now. So yeah, we're looking at our long-term our short-term trend line here, right? So right back here, you can see that we actually had some consolidation after the first jump, right? And this first jump happened around May 7th, not the complete first jump, but from what we can look at right now. And then we kind of traded sideways, we consolidated, right? And then we went all the way down, we consolidated, the chart gets smaller, smaller, and smaller. It starts to go up less and down less, and it consolidates. That's kind of what consolidation means in simple terms, not technical terms here, right? And then we kind of consolidated here, and then we jumped. So after we consolidate in every single crypto or stock, after consolidation, there's either a big jump or there's a big drop. This is with anything you do with cryptos and stocks. If there's a big, there's a consolidation, there's either going to be a big jump or a big drop. So we just now seen a big jump after that consolidation, right? So now we have our second term of consolidation, right? So our second term of consolidation is going to look similar to this. It's going to be a sharp turn downward maybe, but we know we did just now come, we just now came in here, we just now shot all the way up with SHIBA INU. So anything can happen at this point. We don't know what's going to happen. We don't know where we're going to go. But honestly, I do believe it's going to continue to go up. Look, this is like a stair-step method here. Look, it goes up and then goes up again. I really do believe we're going to start shooting up again. We're definitely going to dip before that, but I know we're going to shoot right back up because that's what we always do. And as you can see here, we are consolidating with SHIBA INU. So this is really good news right here that we have SHIBA INU continuing to rise, and we actually have trend lines that we can go by. We actually have trend lines that we could follow. So I actually went in and just put a bunch of money in there because I don't care about this consolidation. Yes, it's going to dip down. Yes, we're going to trade sideways and go down for a little bit, but we could also just shoot up out of nowhere because the media is going crazy right now. So you don't want to be left out. But remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This is just what I'm doing personally. So I'm letting you know what I do, and then you make your decision upon that. So this is what I'm doing here with SHIBA INU. I definitely see it going to the moon. There's some things that I don't like about SHIBA INU, which is, obviously we have huge market cap, or not huge market cap. I mean, we have huge circulating supply and max supply. That's one thing I don't like about SHIBA INU. Look at this, look at this circulating supply. This is huge, 394 billion. And it says 394 billion, but then there's a comma and then a 796. So that could be 394 trillion. It could be 394 quadrillion. We don't even know at this point. But look right here, 10, that's 100. I mean 1 comma 100, 2 comma 100,000, or 1 comma would be, or before the 1 comma would be 100. Before the second comma would be 100,000. Before the third comma would be a million. And then fourth comma, we come over here. Now we're at the billion. Over here, now we're at trillion. So as you can see, the max supply for Shiba Inu is 1 quadrillion. Not 1 trillion, 1 quadrillion. That is so much market cap. That is crazy. Look at the current circulating supply. All right, 1 comma, 2 comma, that's 100K. 3 comma, that's a million. 4 comma, that's a billion. 5 comma, 394 trillion Shiba Inu is circulating right now. This is so big right now. This is like one of the biggest things that are happening. Shiba Inu right now, if we hit $1 at the circulating supply that we're at now, $1 at this circulating supply would bring us all the way up to $394 trillion market cap. So we kind of know we're not getting to $1 anytime soon with Shiba Inu. We all know this. It's not going to happen anytime soon. But we can definitely see 0.0001. Like this one right here will become a 1 eventually, and then this will become a 1 eventually. So you just gotta think about that. Like, think about the long term. 350,000 people are watching this, on coin market cap, and not everyone uses coin market cap. Some people use CoinGecko. Some people don't use either one. And as you can see, it's still continuing to go up. So this is huge right now. Shiba Inu is going crazy. If you look at the all time for it, like, this just shows you how crazy Shiba Inu is going. 1 year, this shows you how crazy it's going. If you would have invested $1,000 back then, oh my, you would be at millions right now if you invested $1,000 back then inside of Shiba Inu. And this is kind of the same thing that's happening with all cryptos. Like, you look at it, you're like, oh man, I wish I would have gotten so long ago, would have had so much more money. But look, market cap, our market rank number 17. We're number 17 in the market rank. That's huge. 24-hour trading volume, we're at $15.7 billion in the 24 hours. It's kind of similar to Dogecoin over here. Like, look, Dogecoin, 20 billion in the last 24 hours. But then when we look at Shiba Inu, we see that Shiba Inu is 15.7 billion in the last 24 hours. So it's just as dominant as Dogecoin. So we can definitely see Dogecoin or Shiba Inu get the 40 cents like Dogecoin is. Like, Dogecoin used to be the same price as Shiba Inu back then, and now look at where Dogecoin is at. Like look all the way back here with Dogecoin. Dogecoin used to be, it was a little more than Shiba, yes. It was a little more, 0.000, so it had 3 zeros and then a 5. You go over here to Shibu, it is 0.0000, so it's 4 zeros and then the 2. So we're really not that far from where Dogecoin started. So we're starting near the same point. So guess inside of like a year or two, we could be at the same point where Dogecoin is. And I just want to put this into perspective for everyone there. Not trying to brag or anything like that, but Shiba Inu is really cheap. So any money that you put in, you're going to get a huge amount of Shiba. All right. It's just regardless, whatever you do, you're going to get a huge amount. Let's just say here, I have 250 million Shiba, and this is a true story. I put a bunch of money into Shiba. So I'm going to watch it go to the moon, and I hope you all come to the moon with us. But remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I don't want anyone to lose their life savings. Don't invest more than what you're not willing to lose, right? All right, we got all that out of the way. So look at this. Shiba Inu right now, 2967. Shiba Inu right now, yes, I put $7,400 in Shiba Inu. I put more than that. I put like 8,000. Actually, I put like 9,000, but it went down since I bought it. So this shows you how risky this is. Do not do this if you are not diamond hands. If you don't have diamond hands, if you need the money immediately for something else, do not invest in Shiba. If you are really like speculative on this and you really don't think that it's going to go to the moon, do not put all your life savings in it. Just don't go off what people on YouTube are saying. Go off your own intuition, right? My intuition is telling me this will make me a millionaire. So this is exactly what I'm doing. All right. So yeah, 250 million Shiba. I was 8,000, 9,000 that I originally put in. So let's see where we would be at if I put this at 0.0002. So just take away one of those zeros. Just take away one of those zeros, and now it's 50K. This is how crazy Shiba Inu is. All right. So let's go back and look at something else that's even more, like, not even more crazy, but let's look at something that's even more realistic is what I'm trying to say, right? It is realistic that we get the high with Shiba Inu in the long term. But right now, let's talk about short term and how realistic we can be short term. So this is how realistic I see Shiba Inu short term. Yeah, right, 50 cents. No, that's not how realistic I see Shiba Inu being short term. But right now, short term, we can definitely expect it to get to, this 4. I'm just gonna say 4. Like, I don't even know how to call this. 4 decimal. 4 decimals to the right, and then the 5th digit is a 4. I don't even want to get to that. This is, forget all that math. But look at this. That would be 10K if we go up there, and we know we're gonna get up there. Like, we're probably gonna be there in about a day or two. Like, this is just how we're doing it. Maybe in a week if we have that dip, like I just now said. Remember, consolidation, and this time right here is saying May 11th. So by May 11th, our consolidation should be done, which is actually tomorrow. That's why I say a month inside of crypto is pretty long. Like, in stocks, consolidation can last a week. In crypto, consolidation lasts 1 day. We are consolidated here. Look at this. We're going to consolidate inside of literally a day, and then we're going to continue to shoot up with Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu is the talk of the crypto world right now. It's the talk of everything. Let's go over to Google Trends so we can validate this. Look at this. Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu is going crazy. As we can see, it is going crazy. Past hour, crazy. Past 4 hours, crazy. Past day, we're still going crazy with Shiba Inu. Past 7 days, we weren't going crazy, but now people are going crazy on Shiba. But as you can see, it's going down. So, you don't want to buy in at the peak. I bought in at the peak because I have diamond hands, and I really do not care. Like, I am so reckless with this money that I'm investing in, and that's because the money that I got all from profits. Like, this is all Dogecoin profits that I'm playing with. Like, I already took out my Dogecoin profits, and then I left, the little original investment in there. I got like about 4K in Dogecoin right now. I went ahead and left that in there, took all this out, all these profits, and right now we are looking crazy with Shiba Inu. Like, I'm looking at this price here, and if I looked at my phone, I think I might be at 8,000 or 9,000. I was at 7,000 when I started this video, but I'm probably at 9,000 now. I don't even know. Shiba Inu is going so crazy. I put my money in at 9,000. I watched it go down to 7, and now it should be at 9 again. That's just how Shiba is going. But yeah, as you can see, Shiba Inu is a risky play here, but it's no more risky than Doge, and that's what we got to look at here. Like, it is a little more riskier than Doge because yes, we have more total supply, right? But you have to think about it. Max supply, total supply. Look at this. The amount of coins that have already been created minus any coins that have been burned. And then we look over here, the maximum amount of coins. So we don't have a maximum supply, which means it can infinite amount can be made. I don't know how many Shiba Inu coins are made every year. Actually, let's look at that. How many Shiba Inu coins are made every year? Terrible typing. Look at this. How many Shiba Inus are made every year? They probably don't even have it yet because it's so new. They probably don't even know how many they want to make every year. Shiba Inu is a token, not a coin. Shiba Inu coins are cryptocurrency meme tokens and allow users to hold trillions of them according to its website. These tokens are listed and incentivized on Shiba Swap, its own decentralized exchange. Its website claims to have locked 50% of its total supply to Uniswap, while the remaining has been burned to Ethereum founder Vitalik Buterin, whatever you want to call it. The tokens feature the same Shiba as Dogecoin. Yes, its value has surged in 24 hours. Yes, we know it. So yeah, really, they don't have a set amount that they're gonna make per year. They may just follow Dogecoin, but there's a lot out there, so I don't even know if that's gonna happen like that. It aims to replicate the success of Dogecoin. Definitely gonna happen. Investing is risky, and you could lose it all, which could also happen. Warning over new crypto coins. It is unclear if Shiba Inu is legitimate. Very little is known. All right, I'm actually gonna invalidate what they just now said here, and I'll show you why. So let's go ahead and close this, and let's close this, and let's close this. So let's go over here and look at Shiba Inu here. Right, this is their Twitter. 200K followers on Twitter right now. They've got so many within the past week. It's crazy, right? So everyone loves Shiba. More and more exchanges are offering Shiba, right? Binance is now offering Shiba coin or Shiba Inu. Crypto.com is offering Shiba. Qcoin is offering Shiba. And OKEx. And so many more. I don't even know what OKEx is. But look, the main ones that we have to look at here. Crypto.com. This is one of the most solidified crypto cards and everything you can do. Like, you can literally buy stuff with Shiba Inu if you have your crypto.com card. You can literally walk into the store with a crypto.com card and swipe it and pay for things with Shiba Inu. Like, this is what people need to think about when they think about Shiba Inu. Look, and they're promoting it. So they're saying buy Shiba Inu with our platform, get one of our cards, and spend your Shiba Inu anywhere you go. This was what we're looking at right here. Like, this is crazy. You can get paid in Shiba Inu. Imagine getting paid $50 for a t-shirt in Shiba Inu. Imagine what that $50 would be like in 1 year. So it's almost like you just got a free Lamborghini, but all you did was trade a t-shirt. So you traded a t-shirt for a Lamborghini. Like, this is what we're looking at here with this. Like, this is crazy right here. Yeah, but this is pretty cool what they're doing. They're doing drawings here with crypto.com, giving people free doge and stuff like that. Crypto.com is doing some groundbreaking things. So that's why I was said I'm going to invalidate what that what that article said about Shiba Inu, because Shiba Inu is solidified. Like, we're in KuCoin, we're in Binance. Like, Binance is huge. Crypto.com, you can buy stuff with Shiba Inu now. Like, and Shiba Inu is so new. Like, there's a lot of coins and tokens out there that you can't buy anything with. But Shiba Inu just, it just kind of started getting the hype, and you can already buy stuff with it because it's on crypto.com. Like, this is really big news for Shiba Inu. Like, Binance is one of the biggest exchanges out there, and it's on, now it has Shiba Inu. Like, that's why we jumped, because Shiba Inu. And imagine if Elon Musk tweeted about Shiba Inu. I don't think he will, because he's so big with Doge. But he says one thing about Doge, Shiba goes up, and that's just how it is. The reason Shiba Inu was created is because Doge is already so high in market cap. Doge is already so high, so like, you can only do it so much. Like, we're gonna go to $1 with Doge. Obviously, we know this, but it's gonna happen over time. With Shiba Inu, though, we can get to 1 cent really quickly. Just with a bunch of people pumping, we could get to 1 cent with Shiba Inu, and I know this for sure. So just hypothetically saying we reach 1 cent, let's see how much money that would be for my account, because I bought so much Shiba Inu, and it could be a really risky investment, but I really don't care. So let's look at what we're about to do. So 1 cent. Shiba Inu goes to 1 cent. I have $2.5 million. I'm done. Look at this. Look at this, $2.5 million. Like, this is just crazy growth right here. Just imagining that Shiba Inu could do that. Like, let me know in the comment section if you all think that Shiba Inu could reach 1 cent. Like, I don't know if I'm the only one who believes that it could, but let me know if you think that it could reach 1 cent. Because let's look at where we're at right now. Like, all we have to do is get rid of this decimal and get rid of this decimal, and then we're at 1 cent. So that's what we're looking at with Shiba Inu. And let me just do that one more time just to make sure, the math is right here. Look at this. You put 7K into Shiba Inu right now. This is what you will have when it reaches 1 cent. And this is what I'm saying. Like, Shiba Inu could be a pump and dump. Yes, it could be a pump and dump. But that's not going to stop Shiba Inu from growing. Listen to what I'm saying here. Look, listen really carefully. Shiba Inu could be a pump and dump. There could be millionaires putting millions of dollars in it. Billionaires putting billions of dollars in Shiba Inu, and then as everyone else puts their money in and it hits the top, like where it's at now, let's say they all took their money out, yeah, we're about to drop, and we're gonna drop real quick, and I'm gonna continue to hold when we drop. Do you want to know why I will continue to hold when we drop? This is why I will continue to hold when Shiba Inu drops. I don't care about the short term. I put all of my money in this, literally my life savings. I don't have anything else but what I put into Shiba Inu. I have some more money in other bank accounts and stuff like that. But look, I put a lot of money in Shiba Inu because I know inside of 1 year, I'm not talking about 1 week, 1 month. I'm waiting a full year before I decide what I'm going to do with Shiba Inu. If I'm going to sell, I'm not going to sell it until I see 1 cent. I'm being 100% honest here. Like, I know it could probably even reach 30 cents. But I'll probably just sell at 1 cent, just because you don't want to overextend your stay. But look at this. If it did hit 30 cents, I mean $75 million. Like, whoa, that's just crazy to think about. Do I think it'll reach 30 cents anytime soon? No. Even when we reached 1 cent with Dogecoin, it took us a while to get to 30. Like, let's go over to CoinGecko and like look at what we really did with Dogecoin. Like, Yeah, let's go over here. The CoinGecko. Let's go over here and look at what we did with Dogecoin here. So when we were trading with Dogecoin, look at this maximum time for Dogecoin all the way back here. I don't like the way this chart looks. I'm being picky right now just because the chart's so small. I want you all to see the full picture of what I'm trying to say here. So let's just open up another trading view here and type in our favorite crypto. But now we also like SHIBA INU too. I definitely like SHIBA INU, but look at this. Yeah, I know this is all messy. This was from the last video, and like I said, I was right again. I'm not trying to brag, but look, we did end up breaking the long-term trend line. We dipped, but a lot of things dipped. A lot of people sold out of crypto, but then they bought back in. So I guess there was probably some thing that the whales planned. But look, I said we would dip, and then we will come back right here, this little line right here, and then we kind of did. We had a short little support there, you know, temporary support, and we would not go below it, and we just continued to rise here. And then I said we would continue to go sideways until we're ready to break out, and then finally we'll break out. So that's what we're seeing here with Doge, but that's not what we're talking about. But this is just a little Doge technical analysis. Let's look at our long-term Doge. All right, though. Let's go all the way back here when Doge was worth nothing. Doge was all the way back here at 1 cent. It took Doge so long to get to 1 cent. Like, I can't even look at the full view on here. Now let's just go back to CoinGecko. I can't even look at the full view because Doge has done so much inside it's the shortest amount of time. All right, so we've seen that little thing. So let's look at our max here. So in order for Doge to get to 1 cent, look at what it did. It went all the way here from 2013 all the way up, all the way up, all the way here. It took it from 2013, listen to this, it took it from 2013 to 2021 to reach 1 cent. All right, that is huge. That is huge. It took it a while to reach 1 cent, but like, and when I say reach 1 cent, it took it a while to stay at 1 cent. Yes, we reached 1 cent way back here, but it took it a while to stay there and actually sustain that growth. That's why I said when SHIBA hits 1 cent, I'm selling, because that's a huge resistance line for anything. For anything below a penny, 1 penny is a huge resistance line because it's really the target that everyone's looking at before they, you know, do their thing. But remember, back in 2013, crypto wasn't hot. 2014, crypto was not hot. 15, not hot. 16, not hot. 17, crypto was not hot. 2018, crypto was not hot. Crypto was out. People knew about crypto. A lot of people put money in it, but it wasn't mainstream. Like the normal investor, like the normal stock market investor, knew nothing about it. I knew what crypto was back then, but I was like, this is just something that people trade inside chat rooms with each other. You know, this is some gaming tokens that people just trade. Then it went crazy, right? But you can see it took us so long to reach 1 cent, and it's so long to reach 30 cents. So that's why I say give SHIBA INU 1 year. I guarantee if we're not at a penny inside of 1 year, we'll be close to it in 1 full year. So I'm saying May next year, look at what SHIBA INU is at. I guarantee it'll be somewhere near a penny. And if it's not, then I lost all my money, and that's just the end of it, you know. But remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I honestly do not want any of you to put your money into SHIBA INU if it's like all your money, and if you're like scared of losing it. Like if you're scared of losing it, don't put it in. If like never overextend yourself. Like if you're scared to lose your money, that means you're overextended. So if you're ever scared of losing it, you're overextended. I put my money in here and I'm not scared of it. I'm not overextended. I know if I lost all this today, I still have money to pay the bills. And that's what it's about. You don't want to, you know, risk all your money, but I'm a risky investor. So that's just how I do it. But yeah, this is just a SHIBA INU update. This is my first SHIBA INU video, and this is my first day investing in SHIBA INU. And just to see that my money is, hold on, let me actually look at my account on my phone. I'll tell you all what it is, but let me look at that. Okay, so now we are back. Let's look at what SHIBA INU is at. All right, so I'm at 8,200 with SHIBA INU. I only had 7,000 like a few minutes, like when I started this video, because it dropped all the way down there, and then it went all the way back up. But yeah, SHIBA INU is doing some crazy stuff right now. So invest with caution. Remember that this is a risky investment. You know, all cryptos in general are risky. Like this is really risky. Don't do it if you're scared. Like you know, just don't. But look at this. SHIBA INU is one of the top cryptos here. But yeah, this is just a little update on what we're doing here with SHIBA INU. Don't be scared by what I said by like not investing if you're not unsure about it. Don't be scared to invest in SHIBA INU. You can just put $100 in there, and just think about what $100 in SHIBA INU could do for you. $100, right? That would probably be how many? Let's see how much $1 would get you, or $100 would get you in SHIBA. So $100 will get you 3.3 million SHIBA INU. Listen to this: $100 gets you 3.3 million SHIBA INU. That is actually really crazy. Just to think about that. That's crazy. All right. So if this is what that would get you, right? It goes up to 1 cent. What do you have? It goes up to 1 cent. Your $100 turns to 33K. Boom, right there. 33K right off the bat if it goes to 1 cent. So this is just to put things in perspective. Like I hope you can afford to gamble $100. All right, I hope you can afford to gamble $100. If not, you probably shouldn't be investing in crypto and should be investing in yourself to raise your earned income or your passive income, whatever kind of income you get. You should be working to raise that if you can't risk 100. Not trying to make fun of anybody, but $100, you need to be able to invest $100 into it at least in order to get 33,000 when it reaches 1 cent. Like that's life-changing money right there. 33,000 off of $100. That's crazy. Like I would take that any day. But yeah, this is just to kind of show you what we're doing here with SHIBA INU. And yeah, if you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comment section what you think about SHIBA INU. And we just now had a spike here in SHIBA. So yeah, let me know what you think about SHIBA INU. Let me know if you're invested in it currently and where you think it'll go. If you think it'll be at 1 cent inside of a year, just let me know your thoughts on that. And don't forget to like and subscribe and check out the link in the description for a free stock with Robinhood and Webull. And now you can also get Dogecoin on Webull, and also you can get SHIBA INU on crypto.com. I have a link in that in the description. Sign up, get your crypto.com card, and you can actually buy stuff inside SHIBA INU too. So yeah, get SHIBA INU, cop that. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, and I'll be back with another video. Peace.